Alright, in this video I would be showing you me packet sniffing a HTTP website and also explaining you the HTTP, HTTPS and also like TLS. Okay, so yeah, let's begin. HTTP is more like, there are two things like the browser and the server. In the context of HTTP, whenever I enter my username and password, it will directly pass the text between the browser and server. Just like this is the username John and the password is 1234, right? So because of which it's quite readable for the people. It has more exposure for a man in the middle attack. Okay. So HTTPS is more like HTTP with TLS. It is more like encryption. So it's like there will be a public key and that combines with the information like the username, password, and then gives some encrypted form. And the server will have the private key which decrypts this gibberish data, and eventually the site is more secure. So yeah, I'll just show you the live. Like this is a website I got it. I'll just copy this. I will open Wireshark. Wireshark. I will open the browser and then I'll just open this website. Okay. Okay, I'll just give the random username and password. Just checking at the rate gmail.com. Not a password. Okay. Not now. Okay. Now I will go to the Wireshark. I'll stop the capture and I will look into the TCP and yeah. I'll look for some other things. I'll just follow this TCP stream. Okay. There are a bunch of streams actually. Yeah. Okay, there are 16 total streams. I think this has to, yeah. Look at this. Just checking the rate gmail.com is my username and the text password not a password. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I was able to get the username and password of my input that I've gave to this HTTP. Of course, I can't get the input of others who are doing on this HTTP website. And if it is a HTTPS website, obviously I can't. So yeah. That's the packet sniffing of HTTP website. And this is like the TLS part actually. Like I said, right? The browser encryption will be there in HTTPS, so the public key gets interacted with the public data, the data, and turns into an encrypted data form which is in this gibberish form, and the server will have the private key. So uh, so basically, like, there will be something called CA. Like, this is how the flow works. Let's say I want, I think, let's say, take the example of PayPal. Okay, so PayPal wants to register their site, so they will go to this particular certificate authority, like, a DigiCert, you know, and they will show them like, this is my public key, this is my private key, and verify me. So this certificate authority, which is DigiCert, they'll give the TLS certificate. It is like airport authority giving passport. Okay, TLS certificate is more like identifying the site owner. So yeah, the PayPal owner in this case, and the server will hold the private key and the TLS certificate that is given by certificate authority. You look at this, and then this process happens. HTTPS encrypted with TLS. Yeah, the browser, when I browse, if it is CA trusted, then secure connection. If it is not, it will show you not secure page shown. Just like our example, like if you go through this, it is showing this way, right? Connection is not secure. So if the connection is secure, you can go like this and you can show certificate GTS, which means Google Trust Services, which is the CA here, certificate authority, saying that this is verified. Okay, this is a secure site. All right, that's it for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.